Hello my friends and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. In this video, you'll see the Roger Rabbit cartoon spin attraction. This is one of Disney's lesser known rides. This ride is located in only 2 Disneylands around the world. The first one is Disneyland Tokyo, and the second one is in Disneyland Anaheim, California. For those Disney enthusiasts, this ride was supposed to be put into MGM Studios, but never made it. The reason this ride never made it was because it was later rejected by Disney executives. Now you know the history behind this ride. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful ride. Lastly, don't forget to like, share, comment, and or subscribe for more fantastic future videos. Now, with no further delays, we proudly present Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin. Welcome back guys, and thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the show and made your day a bit more magical. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more future fantastic videos.